Federal courts are typically barred from hearing a case that a state court has already decided on independent and adequate state grounds. In Coleman v. Thompson, the Supreme Court considered whether federal courts may consider a state prisoner's federal habeas claims that a state court rejected on independent and adequate state procedural grounds. Roger Coleman was convicted in Virginia of rape and capital murder. After Coleman's direct appeals were unsuccessful, he filed a state habeas petition raising new federal constitutional claims. The state court rejected the claims. Coleman eventually appealed in the Virginia Supreme Court. But after considering the merits of Coleman's federal claims, the court dismissed the appeal because Coleman's attorney had missed the court's 30-day filing deadline. Coleman then filed a federal habeas petition containing the same federal claims. The federal district court denied Coleman's petition, holding that Coleman had procedurally defaulted on the federal claims. Coleman appealed, arguing that because the Virginia Supreme Court had considered the merits of Coleman's federal claims, it wasn't clear that the court's decision rested on an independent and adequate state ground sufficient to bar federal review. The Fourth Circuit disagreed and affirmed the district court's judgment, finding that the Virginia Supreme Court dismissed Coleman's state habeas petition based solely on the independent and adequate state procedural rule. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.